Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video, you will learn what's the use of this side button, and now I will show the demo of how it works. Okay, first I move it to middle. Okay, just I move up slightly, and it shows now vibrate. So now it's not when you receive incoming call or any other alerts, only vibration occurs and you will not have any tone. Okay, if you again move up, and it will show now ring. So now sound is activated. Okay, if you move down again, it's vibrated. Then if you move down again, ring. So in the middle, it will act as vibrate, and in lower part and in the upper part it will show ring. So in this way you can easily control whether you want to put your phone in ringtone, or if you want to put your phone mode in only vibrate. Okay, that's the use of the side button in your phone OnePlus Nord. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.